Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to learn about special relays for timing control in Fatek PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will introduce you this the manual of our Fatek PLC. There is he saying pulse signals in chapter number 3. He says M1920 is a 0.01 second clock pulse, one available, and also one more M1921 is a 0.1 second clock pulse, and M1922 is a 1 second clock pulse, and M1923 is a 60-second clock pulse. And how we can use in this relays, I will show you in the program. First of all, here we will take one M1922 for example. This is 1 second single clock pulse, and we will use one output relay. For example, Y0 or Y1, any we can choose. And I will give in run condition. And you can see this is any we not giving signal or something. This is directly internally bullet in the PLC. This is giving after 1 second one pulse giving, and our you can use output relay Y1, Y0 or Y3, any you can choose, and this will be giving pulse and it will be continuously running. And this system you can be used for blinking LEDs or something, any, or where is your logic designs after like to be make some long value timer. If you like to be make, can also you can use. This is very helpful command, helpful relay. And this is the internally how can use this for example long value timer. If you like to make, how we can make, let's see, stop the PLC, and simply this pulse which is coming at Y1, this pulse you can use for increment command. Because of this is directly cannot use, you have to be design the logic. First you have to design the logic, use the output input signal of the Y1 and mix the increment. And this also you can use this one as a rising edge TU contact. This contact is for giving any single pulse also giving. And also here you can make it for increment. You go to the function and use it here, inc command, and here you can give the name, for example D0 if you choose, for example. This is pulses coming, and after what we do, we will make one relay, for example M0 for example we will make here, or M1, any you can choose, M200 for example make. M200 if we choose for comparison, go to the function and write here CMP directly, and comparison command you will got. And here you can write the value of which you data register use, D0 you use, and make comparison with, for example this is the single clock pulse, and you can use for the 60 seconds, for example 60 seconds after 1 minute. If 1 minute timer, if you like to make this one, you have to be write it here 60, or otherwise if you like to be directly write it in the right from the HMI, this here you can use also a data register. This is the D0, and we can use it here D10 for example. D10 is your time value which you like to be make or convert in the PLC. And here in output you can use the relay, for example this is M200, you can choose M100 for example, I'm sorry, this is the fonts have problem. M200 for example, here we can choose, this is M200, and here also you can choose M200, and this program download to the PLC. Also this can use by a see. Now this D0 we have to be first clear. For example, make the status page and make it small. Here D0 is our, here put it 0 for example. Okay, now you can see it's counting single pulse. It will count 1 second, after which pulse is coming. He stored this value and this value is coming here. As this value compares with this D10, also we have to be give value. For example, this D10 when gives the value, for example 60 we will give. We need a 1 minute timer, and we say 1 minute after our output needs to be on. And this also we have to be choose this close contact, I think so, and make it okay. Control W, X, and see now. Then as our 60 seconds will be complete, after 1 minute will be complete, and after 1 minute after M200 will be energized. See, our 60 seconds after M200 is our on. So I hope friends you will be understand about this relay M1000-M1922. This is for 1 second. If you like to make an other timer, why not this is going? If you like to use M921, this is 0.1 second clock pulse, and this is 0.01 second, and this is the 1 second. If you use for 60 seconds, this is M1923. You can use, this is after directly after 160 seconds after, this will be on and off, on and off. So I hope this is the very simple way to the use of this timer. Anything you can make, blinker or long value timer if you like to be make, and simply this value you can take the D10, you can take to the HMI, and inshallah will be next lecture. This all my lectures are serial wise. If you see, this is all lectures. If you like to see this comparison commands how we can use, go to my compare command lectures. This you can see how use the compare commands. This all lectures, if you see 100% current, you will be complete programming you can learn. I hope you understand about this command. If not understand anything, you can send me message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.